Sometimes you stumble across a video clip that needs to be shared. Watch this. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and we love bringing to this channel incredibly creative content like you've just seen. This footage was shot by a guy called Jedeye FPV, who must be a Star Wars fan, even if it's spelt slightly differently. There's a link to his Facebook page linked in the video description because he doesn't seem to have a populated YouTube channel, which is a real shame because we'd love to see this in high resolution. But this is all we have. Let's play it now, and you can see the full version of the video by clicking that link below. Enjoy. Impressive, isn't it? Well, it's not just incredible operator pilot skills you're seeing in action there, but also a technology called ReelSteady, whereby if you're flying an FPV quad, you don't have a mechanical gimbal, and therefore the steadiness of the video is all down to the pilot. However, ReelSteady uses a combination of gyros in the camera and more to stabilize the footage, far more than just software like Adobe Premiere can using Warp Stabilizer. And the results are spectacular. It also takes a lot of guts to be flying a quad like that, not only so close to the water where if that quad drops into it, it's gone, but also in such close proximity to people and objects. But he was working with them, and clearly the results they'll be very happy with. Now, this isn't the only incredible video that he shot, so I urge you all go check out his Facebook page and click that like button and take a look at his other videos that he has listed there for view. We'll be bringing many more videos like this to our channel soon because we want you to see what's out there in the drone community. So give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and we're going to leave you with this parting shot. Enjoy.